Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and of course share this video. So Dr. Nandipha has for the first time issued an official statement regarding her arrest, an arrest which she calls an illegal one, you guys know. Now, the good doctor also alleges that her rights are being violated. The statement which she released reads as follows. Friends and family, it is with a deep humility and respect to share this piece of communication with you. It's been a few months since my legal incarceration at the Bizarre Makete Correctional Center in Kroonstad, but I would like to assure you that I'm holding on in faith. The deep conversations I've been having with God gave me strength with each passing day. Though the last few weeks have not been easy, I am more convinced that ever that there's a purpose for everything. To my family and the people that have been supporting and praying for me, thank you very much. May the Almighty shine His face on you and give you peace that surpasses all understanding. Through my lawyers, I am aware of the many untrue statements, narratives, and conclusions surrounding my arrest, and I will deal with such at a more appropriate level. As Women's Month comes to an end, I am reminded about the struggles women face in our country. In the near future, I will soon be in a position to give you deeper insight on the following. To many painful times, I have suffered physical, emotional, financial, and sexual abuse at the hands of powerful men, including some of the most powerful and prominent families in South Africa, currently occupying the highest offices in government and business. My painful experience at the correctional facility, including the plight of women inmates and violation of their human rights, the merit concerning the allegations against me, and the events which transpired in Tanzania are currently before the courts and will also be addressed at a more appropriate time. I am also aware of the various productions being shot about my life, and I would like to categorically state that if my voice or that of my legal team is not represented, there is likely no truth or credibility to that story. I have conditionally granted a black woman-owned company from South Africa exclusive rights to my story, and our lawyers are finalizing the paperwork. Lastly, and mostly importantly, to my beautiful children, I will miss you so much, and Mommy loves you. Mommy is fighting with everything she has to be with you again. I will see you soon with humility again, and thank you wholeheartedly for your kind wishes and prayers. Humbly, Dr. Nandipha.